Grilled peach and arugula salad, a perfect summer delight. Imagine biting into a salad that perfectly balances the sweetness of grilled peaches, the peppery bite of fresh arugula, and the creamy richness of goat cheese. This grilled peach and arugula salad is a refreshing dish that captures the essence of summer in every bite. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or looking for a quick, healthy meal, this salad is sure to impress. Plus, it's incredibly easy to prepare. Why grilled peaches? Peaches are naturally sweet, but grilling them enhances their flavor, creating a deep caramelized taste with a slight smokiness. The heat also softens the fruit, making it an ideal complement to crisp arugula and crunchy nuts. This combination of textures and flavors makes this salad not just a side dish but a standout meal. Ingredients: serves 4 ripe peaches, halved and pitted, 4 cups fresh arugula, ½ cup crumbled goat cheese, or feta for a saltier touch, 1/4 cup toasted pecans or almonds, 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced, ½ cup balsamic glaze or balsamic reduction, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. Optional, honey for drizzling. How to make it? Preheat the grill. Heat your grill or a grill pan over medium heat. Lightly brush the peach halves with olive oil to prevent sticking. Grill the peaches. Place the peaches cut side down on the grill. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they develop beautiful grill marks and start to soften. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from heat and let them cool slightly. Prepare the salad base. In a large bowl, toss the arugula with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. This helps bring out the flavors of the greens. Assemble the salad. Slice the grilled peaches into wedges and arrange them over the arugula. Sprinkle with crumbled goat cheese, toasted nuts, and thinly sliced red onions. Add the finishing touches. Drizzle balsamic glaze over the top for a tangy contrast. If you want extra sweetness, add a touch of honey. Serve and enjoy. Toss gently and serve immediately. This salad pairs beautifully with grilled chicken or a chilled glass of white wine. Tips for the best grilled peach and arugula salad. Choose ripe but firm peaches. Overly soft peaches can become mushy when grilled, while firm peaches hold their shape better. Use high-quality cheese. Goat cheese provides a creamy contrast, but if you prefer a more robust flavor, try blue cheese or feta. Toast the nuts. Toasting pecans or almonds enhances their flavor and adds a delightful crunch. Experiment with dressing. While balsamic glaze is a classic choice, you can also try a honey mustard vinaigrette for a different taste. This grilled peach and arugula salad is a perfect way to celebrate seasonal ingredients with minimal effort. The blend of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors makes it irresistible. Have you ever tried grilling fruit for a salad? Share your thoughts below.